In years past, we've really, as investors, we focus on flipping properties. But when interest rates are high, when other circumstances don't support that, a lot of times we have to pivot and do something a little bit different. Nowadays, one of the things that a lot of investors are turning to is the idea of what we call a PadSplit. There's a company called PadSplit locally here in Tampa, and one of the things that they focus on is property management for properties that are essentially affordable worker class housing. The concept goes like this, where you take a property that has at least 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and you convert it to essentially by taking the living room, the dining room, and any other bonus rooms in the house and putting up walls and doors to convert those spaces into bedrooms. Now, instead of a property that the market rent is only around $2,000 a month and a mortgage payment of $1,800 a month, now by renting these rooms out, we get more than $1,000 a month per room. And on a 6-bedroom house, that ends up leaving us with more than $5,000 a month in cash flow just from one property.